Mali international Bourama Doumbia has been shot in the leg following political protests in the capital Bamako. Doumbia was a member of the Malian squad that played at the 2019 Under-23 AFCON in Egypt. According to his former club, the Malian international is out of danger and has been released from the hospital, but he lost his little brother Sidi Ben Doumbia in the confrontations. Malian FA boss Mamadou Touré also confirmed the incident, saying the midfielder is in stable condition and is receiving treatment. I have just spoken with Bourama Doumbia, the Malian international player who was injured.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings.